time someone buys a book directly from me, they get one of these cards. I know you probably can't see the wording on some of these. Like this one says, there is a unique strength within me that will see me through my hardest days. I cannot read. This one says, today my dreams meet belief. I believe this is my future. So just something cute, kind of reminds me of art. I mean, it is kind of art. So I put these in with every order that I mail out. Hey good people, I hope you are doing well. I'm coming to y'all about to rush out of the door, but I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna start a new vlog. So we are about to go to Kennedy Ryan's book event here in Houston, hosted by Kindred Stories bookstore. So let us go. I think in the last video I did not talk to y'all face to face, but we're gonna catch up in this video. So anywho, let us go. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourself. I hope you are being kind to yourself, all the things.